Hey everybody, Nick here, also known as the Bearded Housewife, and welcome to another card making video. Today I have a really fun box card to show you. This is my back to school box card. It has this cute little school bus on it, this fun little welcome back message, and of course, what's a school day without an apple, right? It folds nice and flat, and then there is a spot on the back for your message. It also comes with its own envelope. It's really easy to put together, and I can't wait to show it to you. Before we do, make sure to hit like and smash that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any card making fun. And with that, let's get to it. Step 1. Get the free SVG cut file. Step 2. Upload the design to CRICUT Design Space. Now that we have a new project open in CRICUT Design Space, we can head to Upload, Upload Image, and Browse. Find where we downloaded the file onto our computer and hit Open, and Upload. Highlight the image, and then click Add to Canvas. Step 3. Convert score lines. Now that the file has been brought into our canvas, we can go ahead and ungroup the design. Scroll down the Layers panel and find the envelope. Highlight the score line. Come up to the Operation menu and change that to Score. Highlight the group and attach. Now we need to do that for the pieces for the box itself. Highlight the score line, change that to Score, highlight the group and attach. Highlight the score line, change that to Score, highlight the group and attach. We have two more. Highlight the score line, change that to Score and attach. So altogether, the pieces that need to be converted with score lines would be the envelope, the two inside pieces for the box card, and then the two side pieces for the box card. So once you have all 5 of those pieces converted, you can go ahead and click Make It. And I'm going to select On the Mat. And you'll see the different mats for this card. Go ahead and click Continue. I'm going to go ahead and use medium cardstock for this card. I'll go ahead and get everything cut out, and I will see you when it's time to assemble. Step 4. Cut out the design. Step 5. Assemble your card. Okay, now that everything has been cut out, it's time to go ahead and start to assemble. I'm first going to layer everything together, the different embellishments, and then the front of our card. I have included a layering guide within the download, so you can refer to that if you need any more assistance on how to layer the different pieces together. But I'm going to go ahead and do the layering right now. Alright, you can see that I have gone ahead and layered everything together. So this is the front of the card. This shows the cute little school bus, the little apple for inside of the card, and then the back and the front of the school bus. Now we can go ahead and mat and layer our messaging panel. We can set that to the side just to dry. Now let's start to form our box together. To fold the side pieces, you're going to fold both pieces as mountain folds. Just like that. We're going to glue the back of the card, the back of the bus on the left side, and then the front of the bus on the right side. So I'm going to start with the front of the bus. I'm going to turn the front of the card over. I'll add my glue to the outside of that one tab. And now I'm just going to line it up with this edge right here. I'm going to line up that edge, then making sure that the bottom is nice and flush here. Give that a press. And now I'm going to do the same thing for the back. Again, I'm just lining up this edge and then making sure that it lines up on the bottom as well. So there we go. We have one side done. Now we can take our messaging panel and we're going to add glue to the glue tab here. And I'm going to flip it over actually. And then I will line up this edge with this edge right here and on the bottom as well. And now we can add our glue to this tab. We should be able to just close the box. Give that a nice press. Go ahead and fold it both ways so that we can make sure that everything lays properly. And there we have our box. So there's the front and the back with our messaging panel. I'm going to set that to the side just to let that dry. And now we can add our embellishments to the inside pieces. So the apple is pretty self-explanatory. It just goes right on its spot. Just like that. And now for the words, it does say welcome back. You'll just use the outline here as a guide. You can also take a look at the download as well. I'm just going to use my tweezers here, add my glue, and then just start adding the letters on. Okay, so we have our welcome back put together. This does take just a little bit of time because the pieces are little, but once you get going, it is actually nice and relaxing in my opinion. So now what we're going to do is we're going to fold our tabs for our inside pieces. So I want you to rotate each of the inside pieces so that the artwork is on the right side. You're going to fold the welcome back as mountain folds. Go ahead and give those a burnish. And now for the apple, make sure that the artwork is on the right hand side and fold both of those tabs as valley folds. Burnish the tabs. I'm going to go ahead and start with the apple because that is the one that is in the front. So I'm going to add my glue to the outside here of these tabs. And now I'm just going to slip that into the card, making sure that the front of the tab touches the front of the card. Go all the way down, and you'll line up the edges here. Do the same on this side. Line up the top and the bottom of the inside piece with the top and the bottom of the side pieces. Just like that. You can give the card a fold and a press to make sure that everything sits properly. And that looks good. And now for the welcome back piece, we're going to repeat that. We're going to add glue to the outside tabs. And then this one we're going to slip right behind the apple, and the back of the tab is going to touch the back of the card. And again, we're just making sure that those tabs line up with the top and bottom of those side pieces. And give the card a fold again. And there we go. Now you will notice on this one that the spacing is a little bit different than my other box cards. That's because I wanted the apple and the welcome back to be closer together than evenly spaced. It's just my preference for this one. So I'm going to set that to the side and let everything dry while I show you how to make the envelope. So for the envelope, we're going to fold and burnish along the score lines. Take the inlay panel, and you're going to want to add glue along the outer edge of the inlay. Flip it over and place it on top of the cutout on the envelope. Try to center that the best that you can. And flip the envelope over. Go ahead and fold these side flaps in. Add your glue along the bottom edge. And then with your thumbs, go ahead and push up on that bottom flap and press. And there is your envelope. Super, super cute. Isn't this card so cute? It's really, really fun, and I know that your little kiddos would love to receive this card, or even to give to their new teacher. It's a great way to kick off the school year. I hope that you like this video, and I hope that you make this card. If you do, make sure to post it in our Facebook group. We have thousands of card making friends who love to encourage and support each other, so I hope that you check it out. Take a look at the link down below. Once again, I'm Nick, also known as the Bearded Housewife, and I will see you at the next card making video. Bye.